beautiful friends, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Priya and today we're going to do a video which is a little different than the usual. By the thumbnail of the video, you guys already must have guessed it. Yes, it's a Diwali get ready with me video. So basically what I'm going to do is apply makeup first. So the majority of the makeup products which I'm going to use today is from Juvia's Place, and then we're going to go to Mohini's boutique to check out her amazing Indian outfit collection. So without wasting a lot of time, make sure to like this video, share this video, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell button so you're notified every single time whenever I upload any video. Okay, so I have already done my skin prep, and the very first thing which I'm going to apply to my face is going to be a face primer. And for that today, I'm going to be using the e.l.f. Hydrating Face Primer, and this is my holy grail, you guys. So I'm just going to quickly apply this all over my face so that the makeup application or the base of the foundation is really smooth and flawless, and the makeup is going to set really nicely. So I'm gonna quickly apply it all over my skin. Okay, so next thing I'm going to use the Essence Baby Got Brow Eyebrow Pencil. This is a waterproof eyebrow pencil and it comes with an angled tip, and it also comes with a spoolie, so it just makes the application even more easier. So I'm just going to quickly get my eyebrows done and I'll be right back. Okay, so eyebrows are done. Next, I'm gonna go in with the Juvia's Place concealer, and it's a full coverage concealer, and apply this all around my eye area and create a base for my eyeshadow as well. So I'm just going to dab it quickly. And guys, I just wanted to tell you guys that Juvia's Place products are so amazing. The coverage of the concealer, the foundation, it is so beautiful, like it's full coverage literally. So I'm going to apply this to all the places where I feel like there's a lot of redness. Then I'm going to go in with my damp beauty blender and quickly blend this out. You guys see the coverage? Like, this is so beautiful. Okay, so next I'm going to use the Milani Translucent Light to Medium Loose Powder. And I'm going to quickly grab a fluffy brush and apply it all over my eyelids to set the eyeshadow base. So I'm just going to grab some product, not a lot, and gently dab it all over my eyelid. For eyeshadow today, I'm going to use the Juvia's Place Wahala palette. This is what it looks like. It is so beautiful, you guys. The eyeshadow palette is so pigmented. The colors are absolutely amazing. And you guys can pull off any kind of look you want with this palette. So today I am feeling a little bit purple matte and a shimmery shade. I'm going to go in with the shade called Pride and apply it all over my eyelids. This shade is so pigmented, you guys. It is so beautiful, such a beautiful subtle shade. You could always just go ahead and wear this shade as the base shade and apply black eyeliner, and your look is going to look so stunning just by itself. Next, I'm going to go in with this dark maroonish purplish shade. It's called Be You, and I'm going to apply it in the outer corners of my eyes. Just going to fast forward this part so at least we can get to the exciting part, and I can't wait to actually go to the boutique and check out some beautiful outfits. So the eyeshadow is on. For eyeliner today, I'm going to go in with the Essence 24 Ever Ink Liner in the shade Intense Black. I'm going to apply this, and I'm going to apply my lashes, and I will be right back. Okay guys, so eyes are done. The next, without wasting a lot of time, I'm going to go in with the foundation. And for foundation today, I'm going to use the Juvia's Place I Am Magic Velvety Matte Foundation. And guys, when I used this for the first time, I was so shocked. This is a very full coverage foundation, and you could actually tone it down for lighter coverage by mixing a bit of the product with your moisturizer. You don't have to tone it up because this is full coverage foundation. So I'm going to take my damp beauty blender and apply a little bit of the product right on top of my beauty blender, so I have control over the amount of product which I'm applying. So I'm just going to dab some product over here, and you guys can see the kind of coverage this foundation is giving. It is so beautiful, you guys. Foundation is on. I'm going to go in with the Juvia's Place concealer, and I'm going to apply this right on the high points of my face to ensure that I get that coverage and also I get the highlight which I'm looking for. So I'm just going to apply some around the usual areas of my face. Since this is a really full coverage foundation, you don't want your face to look flawless and your neck to look like a weird different color. So I'm going to use the concealer and combine a little bit of the foundation and apply it on my neck as well. So it kind of looks like my neck and my face is part of the same body, if that makes sense. Then I'm going to go in with Juvia's Place Stick Foundation, even though this is stick foundation, but I got a little bit of like a darker shade, so I could use it as my contour stick. So I'm going to apply a little bit of the product right around the areas where I usually contour my face, just the temples of my forehead. My nose area. And then I'm going to use a brush and blend it out. I'm going to go in with the translucent powder and I'm going to apply it around the areas where I have highlighted. So I'm going to take the same Milani translucent powder and I'm going to use a dry beauty blender and I'm going to just grab some product and quickly dab it. Okay, so for highlighter today, it's the highlighter from Juvia's Place and it's called the Royalty. Guys, this particular loose highlight is so pigmented, like it's super pigmented. You could use, this is really multi-purpose. You could use it as a loose eyeshadow as well, and you could also apply it as a highlighter. I'm just going to quickly just get a precise brush. And of course, I'm gonna take the same blush brush, dab the product back in, and just gently apply this. So I just grabbed a little bit of the product because I didn't want too much. And for lipstick today, I'm going to use the lipstick from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and this is in the shade Pink Punch. This is such a beautiful bright pink shade, so if you're somebody who really like bright colors, this is the one to go for. I'm just going to quickly apply it. Now I'm gonna go in with the Huda Beauty liquid matte lipstick. Ladies, feel free to work with the lipsticks, combine it, mix it until you're happy with the shade you want. Lastly, the setting spray which I'm going to use is from Morphe. This is my favorite, my holy grail setting spray. Okay guys, so this is my Diwali makeup look and I'm really excited to go and check out all the Indian outfits at Mohini's boutique. So without wasting a lot of time, let's get going. Hello everybody, so we're at Mohini's boutique finally. I tried a couple of outfits and I absolutely fell in love with all of them. So we have Mohini here with us today.
Hi.
So basically you guys will be shopping for Diwali, and I know that you guys must be looking for great places to actually go and explore. So Mohini's boutique is the #1 store which I visit every year. I would definitely highly recommend you guys to actually come to Mohini's boutique and check out their outfits, their jewelry, and their whole shebang. So Mohini, how long have you been operating here?
I have my boutique since 2005 in Calgary.
Wow, that's a long time, you guys. And you, what kind of clothing do you guys carry?
I carry mostly women's clothing, but I do carry kids and men's. And mostly I try to carry exclusive design outfits.
Awesome, awesome. She has lehengas, shararas, saris. You have saris with blouse pieces.
Yes, lehengas, shararas, bridal wear, saris, patiala salwar suits, kids outfits, a men's kurta pajama, boys kurta pajama, jewelry. You name it and I have it.
Perfect. See, this is going to be a one-stop shop for you guys, so make sure to check it out, and I'll be sharing a lot of her collection on my Instagram page. Don't forget to follow Mohini's boutique on Instagram and on Facebook so you can take a look at all their outfits online as well. You can also place your orders online, and you can also come and visit her, and she will be more than happy to help you out.
Last year, because of COVID, we were not able to celebrate Diwali as we would love to celebrate. So this year, let's go out, let's dress ourselves up, celebrate Diwali, come and see me if you need anything, but please be safe and take care of each other. Happy Diwali!
Who else noticed that the pastel colors are really in right now? I tried a bunch of outfits at Mohini's boutique and majority of them were in pastel colors. These are just a few of them, you guys. If you love pastel colors or even the darker range, she has a lot of varieties at this store. So whatever I'm showing right now are some of the pieces which I absolutely loved. The quality is absolutely amazing and the work on each of these items is really detailed. I'm not gonna go into work because I wouldn't be able to describe it to you as Mohini would be able to describe it to you. So definitely go and check out her store. Talk to her and show her whatever you need, and she will ensure that you get great customer service. I myself, I know Mohini since 2009 and I did my bridal shopping there back in 2012, and I got my lehenga, my jewelry, and the whole shebang, and she was such a great help. She carries a lot of designer bridal wear, so if you're looking for something unique and elegant, feel free to reach out to her and she will be more than happy to help you out. Oh my god, you guys, I can't even stop looking at this yellow beautiful dhoti salwar. So if you guys are somebody who really like these kind of styles, she has a lot in right now. This outfit really gives a sleek, elegant vibe. This outfit I'm just really speechless about. This has really fine work on it. It's very comfortable. It looks really heavy and has zari work all around the top and the lehenga. What I really like about the skirt of this particular outfit is that the top is really like a showstopper. So they contrasted the skirt so that, you know, the whole outfit, the whole piece looks super elegant and it looks stunning. The best part about this outfit is that you could wear it in two ways. So you could use the top of this outfit and wear leggings with it and make it look like another outfit, and with the lehenga itself, with the skirt, you could wear a blouse and it would become a lehenga. So it is definitely worth your money. Okay guys, so this lehenga, it falls into the pastel color range and the color is peach, kind of like a peachy. It's a very beautiful color. It looks much nicer in real though. So this lehenga has paperwork and on it. Mohini would be able to describe it to you in detail, and the way it fit me, the blouse, everything, it was so nice. Like it just kind of like hugged the body. If you want to look one of a kind this Diwali, definitely check out Mohini's boutique. I'll link her contact information in the description box below, and if you love the content I create, don't forget to like, share, subscribe and hit the bell button so you're notified every single time whenever I upload a new video. Thank you for watching.